Hello again, this is Gwen Polakowski, and I'm here to talk with you about getting comfortable with LinkedIn. This is our final episode of this introductory course to get started and get comfortable using LinkedIn, a really great platform for building your professional network and getting started asserting your individual self for your professional career. So in this last session, I want to talk to you about the many possibilities that LinkedIn has. We have really just scratched the surface. There's so much. There's a lot that you can do in terms of looking for jobs. There are many great job ads on LinkedIn. I'm sure you already know this. There are lots of groups. There's so much to explore, and all of this with just a free account. But you need to start working on your profile too. And one of the things that you can do first of all is to get started writing a really good about section. I have a short course that will help you with this. The course is totally free. I'm going to write the link so that you can register for the course and take it whenever it's convenient for you. I really encourage you to take this course. It's a great resource. When you have your basic LinkedIn About section written, then send me a message through LinkedIn and let me know, and I'll give you some feedback on it. I'd be happy to do this, and hopefully by then we're already interacting through the LinkedIn group that we talked about earlier. So this is our final episode. We've just started getting comfortable with LinkedIn, but there's a lot more that we can do. Thanks so much. I'd love to hear your feedback on what you'd love to learn next. Please send me a message in LinkedIn or in this group. It's been great to spend this time with you. Thanks so much for your attention, and best wishes as you build your career using LinkedIn and the many other resources that are out there. Bye for now.